Hi, welcome to Anjarisa channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy baby headband. Stay tuned.
If you love anything about baby headbands, consider subscribing.
Prepare the fabric. I use cotton fabric for this baby headband, and you can use other fabric. As I have always said that when we are working with fabric, the direction of fabric is very important. This is the edge of fabric. The size is 2.5 inches or 7 centimeters, and the length is 17 inches or 43 centimeters. Please let me know whether you want the measurement in inches or centimeters. Please write in the comment below. Fold the fabric in half and fold down to form a triangle and cut the fabric. And the other side, the direction should be like this. Don't fold it like this, but this one, and cut the fabric. So the shape of the fabric will be like this. With this pattern, we can get two shapes for the bow, this one or this one. Prepare a safety pin, and I will pin this to both ends of the fabric. Fold the fabric in half with the right sides together and sew here, and I will leave an opening about an inch here in the middle and continue sewing to the end. Leave an opening about an inch here to let us turn the fabric inside out. Now cut the corner of the fabric. Be careful not to cut through the thread. Now push the safety pin to turn the fabric. I will use a loop turner like this to push the fabric. If you don't have this loop turner, you can use a pen or anything pointed. Just put the loop turner inside the fabric through the opening and push the fabric. Now I'm going to press the fabric like this one. Now I will show you how to tie the perfect bow. Prepare an elastic band like this. Put this fabric like this and fold this fabric and use this to wrap around the fabric. This one. And from this, grab this fabric adjust a little Our baby headband is finished. You can make as many as you want because it's so easy to make. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this baby headband tutorial, please like and share this video. If you have any questions, please write in the comment below. I will try my best to reply. And please support this channel by subscribing and ring the bell. Because it's so easy to make. I will try to wear this one like this.